Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS next generation Chromebox 5 CN67. So friend, the Chromebox 5 boasts a slim chassis that houses a robust thermal solution for improved reliability, and it's powered by the latest 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor with up to 32 GB DDR4, 3200 memory and Intel Iris Xe graphics, delivering outstanding performance for demanding tasks. And ASUS has unveiled its latest Chromebox, a high-performance computer that comes with an eye-catching contemporary design and with an array of connectivity options, it including DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI ports, and Thunderbolt 4. The ASUS Chromebox 5 offers fast data transfer, power delivery, and connectivity to external displays, and it can support up to 4K displays, offering stunning visuals and improved productivity. And it is the first of its kind to feature an optional integrated 15-watt UR certified wireless charger, which can easily charge supported devices such as smartphone and earbuds simply by placing them on the top cover. And it also fully supports Android apps from Google Play, allowing users to download and enjoy their favorite apps. And friend, the Thunderbolt 4 brings Thunderbolt 4 connectivity to USB Type-C at speed of up to 40 Gbps along with DisplayPort 1.4 support, and it's even compatible with USB 4 to create one compact port that does it all, delivering the fastest, more versatile connection to any dock, display or data storage device. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.